Namaste. In this video, we are going to simplify this radical expression here given square root 5 minus 1 to divided by 2 to the power 10 plus 2 upon square root 5 plus 1 to the power 8. Here square root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 10. So this one write as it is, but here in the denominator here radical, so we have to rationalize the denominator. So 2 upon square root 5 plus 1 multiply square root 5 minus 1 and here square root 5 minus 1 to the power 8. Okay, so square root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 10 plus this is 2 square root 5 uh, minus 1, and here we apply algebraic identity. So this is square root 5 square minus 1 square to the power 8. Square root 5 minus 1 to divided by 2 to the power 10, and here square root 5 square is 5 and 1 square is 1, so 5 minus 1 4, and so here in the denominator 4, so 4 and 2 cancelled with 2, so we get square root 5 minus 1, this 2 cancelled with here 4, so we get 2 in the denominator to the power 8. And now you can see here base are same. Let here square root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to any variable a. So a to the power 10 plus a to the power 8. We can take common lowest exponent. So a to the power 8. Here left a square plus here left 1. It means we have to find out now a square and a to the power 8. So here square root 5 minus 1 upon 2 is a. So 2a is equal to square root 5 minus 1. Okay, to multiply here with a. So now 2a plus 1 transfer this side and square root 5. Both side taking square, so like that. Here apply a plus b whole square identity. So this is 4a square plus 4a plus 1 is equal to 5. 4a square, because we have to find out a square value, so this one transfer other side. 5 minus 1 which is 4, and this is minus 4a. Here 4 and here 4, so whole equation we can divide by 4 and we get a square 1 minus a. Okay, this is a square value, but we have to find out a to the power 8, so both side taking square. 1 minus a square. Okay, so a to the power 4 power to the power multiply, and here apply algebraic identity. So 1 minus 2a plus a square. And what is a square value? This one, 1 minus a. Okay, we can substitute 1 minus 2a plus a square value 1 minus a. Now combine like terms. So a to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2a minus 3a. Now again taking both side is square. So a to the power 4 times 2, 8. Here 2 square is 4 minus 2ab, which is 12a minus 12a, plus this b square, it means 3a square, which is 9a square. A to the power 8 is equal to 4 minus 12a, and again we put here a square value. What is a square value? 1 minus a. Okay, so 1 minus a. A to the power 8 is equal to 4 minus 12a. 9 multiply with 1, 9. 9 multiply with minus a, minus 9a. Okay, now combine like terms, and we got a to the power 8 value. 4 plus 9, 13, minus 12a minus 9a minus 21a. Okay, we got a to the power 8 value. This value we can substitute there, here. Okay, so actually expression was a to the power 8 a square plus 1, right? Here plus 1. Yeah. Okay, what is a to the power 8 value? 13 minus 21a. And what is a square value? 1 minus a. This is, okay, 1 minus a, and this is plus 1. Okay, so 13 minus 21a, and 1 plus 1, 2 minus a. Now open parenthesis and multiply. So 13 times 2, 26. 13 times minus a, this is minus 21a multiplied 2, which is minus 42a, and minus multiply minus plus 21a square. Okay, again a square value we can substitute, 1 minus a. 26 minus 13a minus 42a, plus 21, 1 minus a. Okay, 26, and this is actually minus 55a plus 21 and minus 21a. Okay, 26 plus 21, 47, and minus 55a minus 21a minus 76a. Okay, and here we can substitute a value. What is a value? A value was this one, square root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Here 2 and 76 cancel, we get 38. 47 minus 38 is square root 5 minus 1. Okay, so 47 minus 38 is square root 5 plus minus minus plus 38. 47 plus 38, this is 5, 8, 85 minus 38 is square root 5. And this is the final answer. It was answer of this. given expression, radical expression. Okay. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.